Are you losing hair, but losing even more hair trying to find natural remedies to prevent hair loss? You are in the right place. In this video, we will show you 2 secret natural ingredients that you can leave on your scalp which can help you grow thick hair fast. If this is what you are after, drop us a like and subscribe to our channel for more herbal remedies. We all desire long and luscious locks, but hair growth can be a slow process, and sometimes it can feel like we are not making any progress. However, there are a few natural ingredients that can help boost hair growth and make your hair thick and healthy. The first ingredient we will be discussing is castor oil. Castor oil is a thick and sticky oil that is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. When applied to the scalp, castor oil penetrates deep into the hair follicles and nourishes them, promoting hair growth. It also stimulates the production of collagen, which strengthens the hair follicles and prevents breakage. This results in thicker and healthier hair. To use castor oil for hair growth, start by warming the oil slightly. Apply it directly to your scalp and massage it in for a few minutes. Make sure to cover your entire scalp and hair strands with the oil. Leave the oil on for at least an hour, or even overnight for best results. Then, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and condition as usual. You can also mix castor oil with other ingredients to enhance its effects. For example, you can mix it with coconut oil, which is rich in fatty acids that nourish the hair and promote hair growth. Simply mix equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil and apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least an hour, then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Benefits of using castor oil for hair health. Strengthens hair. Castor oil is also rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to strengthen the hair and prevent breakage. It also helps to increase the elasticity of the hair, making it less prone to breakage. Prevents dandruff. Dandruff is a common scalp problem that is caused by a dry and itchy scalp. Castor oil has antimicrobial properties that help to prevent dandruff and other scalp infections. It also helps to moisturize the scalp and prevent dryness. Moisturizes hair. Castor oil is a natural emollient that helps to moisturize the hair and prevent dryness. It helps to lock in moisture and prevent the hair from becoming dry and brittle. Prevents split ends. Split ends are a common problem that is caused by dry and damaged hair. Castor oil helps to prevent split ends by moisturizing the hair and preventing dryness. It also helps to strengthen the hair and prevent breakage. Improves scalp health. Castor oil helps to improve the overall health of the scalp. It helps to reduce inflammation and soothe an itchy scalp. It also helps to unclog hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Improves hair texture. Castor oil helps to improve the texture of the hair by making it softer and more manageable. It helps to smooth out the hair cuticles and prevent frizz. The second ingredient we will be discussing is onion juice. Onion juice may not sound like the most pleasant ingredient, but it is packed with sulfur, which is essential for hair growth. Sulfur helps to stimulate the production of collagen and keratin, 2 proteins that are essential for strong and healthy hair. When applied to the scalp, onion juice increases blood circulation, which nourishes the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. It also has antibacterial properties that help to prevent scalp infections, which can lead to hair loss. To use onion juice for hair growth, start by chopping up a small onion and blending it until it becomes a smooth paste. Strain the juice from the paste using a cheesecloth or a fine strainer. Apply the juice directly to your scalp and massage it in for a few minutes. Leave the juice on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for best results. Then wash your hair with a mild shampoo and condition as usual. You can also mix onion juice with other ingredients to enhance its effects. For example, you can mix it with honey, which is a natural humectant that helps to retain moisture in the hair. Simply mix equal parts of onion juice and honey and apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Advantages of using onion juice. Improves scalp health. Onion juice helps to improve the overall health of the scalp by reducing inflammation and promoting circulation. It also helps to remove toxins from the scalp, which can contribute to scalp conditions such as dandruff and eczema. Conditions hair. Onion juice is rich in vitamins and minerals that help to condition the hair and improve its texture. It also helps to make the hair shinier and more manageable, natural and cost-effective. Onion juice is a natural ingredient that is easily available and cost-effective. It is a safe and effective alternative to commercial hair products that often contain harsh chemicals that can damage the hair and scalp. Easy to use. Onion juice can be easily extracted from onions by grating or blending them and straining out the juice. It can be applied directly to the scalp and hair or mixed with other ingredients to make a hair mask. In conclusion, castor oil and onion juice are two natural ingredients that can help promote fast and thick hair growth when applied to the scalp. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which nourishes the hair follicles and stimulates hair growth. Onion juice is packed with sulfur, which helps to strengthen the hair and promote hair growth. When used regularly, these ingredients can help you achieve long and healthy hair. Thank you for watching this video. Give this a try and let us know if it works for you. Let us know in the comments below if you know other natural remedy. Remember to drop us a like and feel free to check out our other videos.